Hello guys, my name is Ade Oladeus and you are welcome to my YouTube tutorial video. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a bold text on Facebook. Alright, how to create a bold text on Facebook whenever you are trying to write your caption. Alright, so you go to your what's on your mind. We go to what's on your mind. Now I'm going to type my name is Ade Oladeus. Alright, I'm going to type this. My name is Ade Oladeus. Now normally if you are going to use your WhatsApp, alright, in your WhatsApp you are going to add an asterisk at the end and also an asterisk at the beginning. You add your asterisk at the beginning. Alright, that gives you a bold text. That's for WhatsApp. But on Facebook, if you post this now, it's going to reveal both your asterisk, like it will reveal both asterisks. So it's still not going to make your text bold, like your font size, your font to be bold. Alright, so how do we now achieve this on Facebook? A number of times you see advertisers, when they advertise on Facebook, they try to make their text more captivating, like they make it bold and all of that. So how do you achieve this on Facebook? So I'm going to show you how to do this in just less than 2 minutes. You can actually get this thing done. All right, and I'm going to drop the description to this website in the description, in this video. All right, you're going to see the description there on how to get this thing done. So you can check the description, like you can check the video description, or you are going to see it sliding on the screen right now. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Now let's go to this particular website. It's a very good website for content creators or advertisers, or you want to do some stuff on Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to use this as an example. Facebook bold text. For instance, I'm going to use Facebook bold text. So I'll say as GLIMS Media, we train you to become a professional digital marketer and website designer. Join us today. Alright, can you see it now? So I'm going to copy this. I'll copy it. Can you see where my cursor is moving towards? Okay, I'll click on this thing that looks like a double rectangle or square. Right, I'll click on it. So once I click on it, I'll go back to my Facebook. And then I'll paste it there. Can you see it now? Join us today. So I could just go to the next line and say, at our training session, you see this a number of times. At our training session, we show you how to. So you go to the next line. So if I want to create another beautiful text, for instance, I could just have something like maybe a Gothic font generator. Let me use that Gothic font generator, for instance. Let me say website designing. Right, website designing. Then I can say digital marketing and graphic designing, and so on and so forth. So I'm just trying to show you how to do these things. Okay, it's still loading, so it loads completely before I can copy this text I just created. All right, so it's still loading. So I'll copy the text now. I'll copy the text now. I'll copy the text now. So I'll go back to my Facebook and then I'll paste it there. Can you see it now? So I'll click on enter. I'll click on enter. Can you see it now? So all you just have to do now is you can now post this text. If you love the designs, you can just make the post. So it's very simple. All you just want to achieve here is to create a beautiful font, even using your Facebook. So it's very simple. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos